walking in a bookstore and a book cover catches your attention and you stop in the midway. Imagine you're scrolling through your favorite social media feed and suddenly you watch a hook that immediately stops you and makes you read that social post. This is the power of good and irresistible hooks. It is the gateway to your content. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Aditi and today we are diving into the magic and art of crafting irresistible hooks for your content pieces. Get ready to master the skill of writing hooks that catch the attention of your readers and keep them hooked till the very last line. We are going to dive into 7 types of irresistible hooks that you can use for your own content piece. Type 1. The intriguing question. Start with a thought-provoking question for your content piece, for the starting of your content piece. For example, know how millennials start their morning. This will create curiosity in the minds of the readers and they will want to read even more. Point 2. Start with a shocking statistic. A shocking statistic surprises the readers and takes them off the place. They will want to know the reality of that shocking statistic. Again, I'll give you an example. Did you know 80% of the people in India face social and public speaking anxiety? This will provoke a curiosity and fear in the minds of people and they will want to know the reality and uncover the secrets of this shocking fact. Point 3. Start with a bold statement. Start with something that is not known to the readers earlier and that might be new to those people. Start with a very bold and very courageous statement. I'll give you an example. Forget what you have heard. This diet trick will make you lose weight in just 10 days. This is the starting that people want to read because it challenges their older beliefs and they will want to know something new and something interesting. Point 4. The quotation hook. Start your blog post or your content piece by a famous quotation. This quotation can be a dialogue from your favorite character or the character that relates to the blog post. This quote can be from a famous sports person or anybody for that matter. It can be from a book, it can be from a movie, etc. Or even a politician. This makes the blog post more relatable for the people who already associate with that figure. Point 5. Fear of challenge hook. Challenge the readers and provoke a sense of fear in people. Make them scared of something so that they need to know what is happening and what might happen to them, what might happen with them. The fear of challenge hook will make them take that challenge and overcome it with something. So maybe the example can be, tired of getting good enough sleep? Try this and have a good night's sleep in just 4 days. This is a fear of challenge. You're challenging the readers to try something and they will instantly want to read more of your content. Point 6. The emotional hook. Evoke strong emotions in your readers. Start with a personal or emotional story that is heart-touching and elicit some emotion in your readers. You can choose sensitive topics and sensitive dialogues for this kind of hook. It should be relatable with the audience and elicit strong emotions in their mind so that they would want to read more and more. And point 7, and one of my favorites, the exaggerative hook. Exaggerate something in your starting of your blog post or your content piece. Although in this type of starting piece, make sure that you back up your claim, the exaggerated claim, in the body of your content, in the body of your post. I'll give you an example. This trick will make you a social media superstar in just 2 days. This is something that is exaggerated, that is a very bold claim, but this will make your readers want to know more. They will want to know how they can become a social media star in just 2 days. Back up your claim with strong evidence and facts and figures so that people do not lose their faith in your content. They keep on reading and they really appreciate your content till the last line. And yes, I hope these 7 types of hooks help you create irresistible starting pieces for your content, for your next blog. Let me know any of your ideas, any of your suggestions for writing irresistible hooks for your content pieces. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.